guys, welcome back to another video. So I actually have my barn find truck that I found, and I got the camper, and I got the side-by-side in the back. So I'm actually going to be going duck hunting with my brother. So I'm going to go through a little bit of water to get to the our little spot.
Oh, good thing
my brother brought his fooler, so we're gonna see if I can get my camper parked for the night. And yeah, so there's my brother right there. All right, let's park her right here. We'll get that out, and we'll get
Jeez, that's big.
Get my side-by-side out. I made this thing big, so we're gonna see if I can park this right here and hop out, and we'll see if we can get some ducks.
I see one.
Oh, you got him. Right.
I'm gonna go grab him.
Alright, alright, we got this one. Got one. I'm just gonna wait a little bit. See if there's any other ones that I can get. Shot one. We'll see if any others come around. I don't see any. Oh, wait, there's one. Smoked him.
Got him.
Nice. Let me go grab him.
Oh, I go. You're grabbing yours?
Mm-hmm.
I just got this.
Alright. Let me go grab my other bird. 2 birds so far, not bad. I'll have to mount them.
Yeah. I'm gonna mount my one that's worth 2,000.
Yeah. Alright. Any bird? Oh, there's one. Got him.
What?
So we're gonna get the birds, and we're gonna come over here. I wonder if I can get in this hunting stand right here. Try. I'm gonna try to, but we'll see. This is a nice little hunting stand. Alright, I'm gonna jump up and see if I can get up here. Oh, I got it. It's kind of tall, but
Take my 4-wheeler over there.
Could work. Hop out of there. Let's jump right back into the hunting stand and see if I can get a couple more birds for tonight dinner. We're eating ducks. I'm gonna grab a couple more birds. Got them. So I think I'm gonna go drive the side-by-side to a different spot and see what I can get around here.
Alright, I'm back.
Alright, my stuff is on like the other side of the lake, so I'm gonna just have to walk across. Hopefully I don't get bit by a snake or anything. Any birds flying while I'm walking? Oh, there's one.
It stands a little big.
Smoked them. And I'll get him later.
The stand's not good because there's too many trees.
Yeah. Big old cut down tree right here. Alright, let's see if I can get over here. Tonight we'll probably do some night riding, but right now we're just gonna do some hunting.
Can I go back and grab my big pole for night riding?
We'll see.
30.
We'll probably go night riding in another video, but we'll go ahead and drive the side-by-side to a different spot on the lake. Probably park it right here. Yeah. Alright, let's hop on top of the side-by-side and get a little higher.